Possibly one of the simplest, but one of the most delicious as well. It's a dish from the north of the Philippines, Igado. It's regional cuisine here today, and we will understand the value of sancocha or parboiling. You're watching Channel 1 Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook, and share. Let's join Romilo at the kitchen. Welcome to Channel 1. Thank you for joining me here again today. Magandang hapon. I'm cooking today a very special recipe. I've been planning to cook this for more than a year now, but thank God I have the chance to cook it today. It's Igado. It's an Ilocano dish consisting of the part used for adobo plus the innards. I have here liver, Igado in Spanish. That's how this dish got its name. Igado in Spanish means liver. Join me, there will be fun and learning as we prepare this Igado, Ilocano style. The ingredients are very simple: pork, liver, guisantes or peas, onion and garlic, carrots, bell pepper, salt and pepper, vinegar and sugar. Not shown here, but we need a chuete. Let's get on with our task. Let's cut the pork into tiny strips. If you have pork belly, do it first and then have the pork fat render and use the fat for stir frying. Unfortunately, I don't have that, so we'll just slice all the pork that we have. And let's prepare the stir fry as well. Onion here, and of course, and garlic. This has been my proven quickest way of crushing and chopping garlic finely. See? And let's work on the carrots. They don't have to be finely sliced, Julian. Rougher than the usual will do. See? And now the pepper, bell pepper. Thin strips. And we have all the glorious colors here. And to a side. But we need to finely slice the liver. This can be done later, just before adding it to the dish. But I might as well do it now. We have everything prepared, so we can stir fry now. Into action, Romilo. Usually we will be using fatty pork or the liempo or pork belly. My pork here is not fatty enough, so I'm using cooking oil. We have a back splatter protection, so we might as well protect ourselves from splash and show our Channel 1 brand. We'll be using achuete. It's available in powder form or in the original seed form. Please close that. Yeah. I already watered some, or let's say around teaspoon of achuete. Immerse it in the water, warm water, and massage it, just to get the flavor or the color. We can start with this stir fry now. Can you come closer, cameraman? Let's start with the onions. I'm rushing here, that's why, to accelerate stir frying, I'm adding salt to the onion. How do you find my backsplash? The beauty of this dish is it's sour and it's a bit sweet. So if you love paksiw or adobo and a bit sweet, just like the humba of the Bisaya. But I won't be putting soy sauce. No soy sauce here. Perhaps just a small drop just to color the dish. But no, I'll be using just the achuete to color it. We will add the garlic now. Where I come from, we usually boil this first to soften the pork. I don't know the reason for that, but I think it's just to soften the meat first, and that makes it easier to slice or to cut. This is another animal. I hope this is dry. Another option, instead of using the peas or the how is it called, guisantes, we can also use garbanzos. Garbanzos, the advantage is that it gives a sweeter and creamier flavor in comparison to the peas, which is more grassy in taste and in smell. I didn't mention, but in some households or some cook, I think Chudoro de la Rosa, my barrio, our best cook uses patés to add flavor to this dish. So just a small amount, very small amount, 1 tablespoon, I think. I'm adding that now. It's still a wonder how the patés adds flavor, especially the pork. Really, it has a very nice chemistry with pork fat. We just have to stir this until it's no longer pink. I think we have reached that state. Come closer, cameraman, and let's show them the color. Yeah, I think this is good. I'll add the carrots now. Just stir this and we'll add vinegar. 1 kilo would usually just require 3 tablespoons, but I'll be more than generous. Around that until the 1/4 cup. And the discipline is don't touch your dish until the vinegar that you place boils briskly. And we add the salt. I've learned not to directly place salt there, so that in case there was an accident, I can easily correct it. The point at which you place you add the actuator does not matter. I'm adding it now. And if you want more color, just add more water and stir. Stir or press. We'll add more water and stir, enough to cook it and provide sauce. Balancing sourness with sweetness always works, and that's the foundation, or that's the basic principle for this recipe. So sugar here. I think around 20 to 30 minutes, let's say 30 minutes, this will be cooked. I've got here frozen peas, but you can also use canned peas or guisantes. Around 1 cup of this. This is more than 1 cup. Some would add the paprika or the bell pepper towards the end, but I want it wilted. I want it soft, and that's why I'm adding it now to get the flavor infused in the sauce. Let's just cover it to keep the sauce from evaporating. It's been boiling for 20 minutes. Let's check if it has softened. Look at that. Yeah. I tasted it earlier, and the garbanzos, or not the garbanzos, but the peas have been cut. That's why it's time to add the liver. The soul of this dish, Igado. Let's put the lid on, back, and in 5 minutes or less it will be cooked. It's now cooked. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, Igado of my region, Ilocano dish. It's easy to make. I would say this is one of the easiest Filipino dishes. I bet. Now, Romulo, you understand the need to parboil first. It's a bit tough, but I was just rushing. We could have cooked it longer, but it's delicious. I like it. Gawana, this from my region here in Chalhuan. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you on the next video. Your Korean uncle here, Romulo. Diyos Bate. Let's eat it. My rice is ready. Yes. Yeah. And in this episode, we are inaugurating my newest kitchen upgrade. I now have a backsplash protection, and I fixed the silicone filling here. Yeah. Thank you for not skipping the ads. I was able to buy repair kit for my kitchen. Look. Also in channel 1 with these. If you're curious, yeah, silicone kit, repair kit, and some tools. Yeah. Again, thank you.